Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a little get ready with me. I have one of my very first brand trips. It's really not a trip, it's just like an event, and I'm very excited to be showing up. I've been invited to a couple of these like little brand pop-ups and like outings events in LA, and I just haven't been going. I'm just so freaking shy and nervous, and it like gives me anxiety to go alone, but today I can bring a friend, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna be going to a Revlon coffee pop-up, but I thought like this is the perfect time to vlog like a little get ready with me, and then I'll take you guys with me to the event and we'll just have fun. But I'm just very excited. Like I said, this is one of my first events that I'm actually going to, so I'm very excited. Thank you so much, Revlon, for inviting me to this little event. It means so much to me. I've always wanted to do this. I've always wanted to like go to the little LA events and like meet the other influencers, but I'm just so fucking scared, you guys. Like, I'm such an introvert at heart. Like, I might be extroverted and like extra and loud and bubbly on camera, but like in person, when I first meet someone, I am just very like shy and nervous. But I mean, I'm gonna have to get over that. I already prepped my face. I did my whole entire skincare routine. I did my brows. I used my Paris bar soap. Today I did prime with the stupid Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. I'm not saying it's dumb. Like, everybody loves this and it is a classic, but you guys, like, it never works for me. Like, never. But I decided that I want to do like half my face with the Hydro Grip and half of my face with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Mint Melt. So I did do that. I'm gonna just do like a little wear test on myself because I want to put my thoughts on TikTok. It's for no reason at all. I'm going to be taking my Milani Glow. This is a hydrating skin tint. The shade that I have is 210 medium. So what I actually like about this skin tint is that it is made with coconut water. So it isn't like heavy, and it doesn't give you like full 100% coverage, but it does give you like a natural kind of glow and radiant look. I like to mix this with most of my foundations. I never really use this alone because, like I said, like, I'm a full coverage kind of girl. I don't really like when you can see my skin through my foundation. Not all the time. I mean, like on a natural day, yeah, but like not on a full glam. Like, I want to get my cute little beat on. I just love the way that it like glows and gives me my coverage. I'm using my Frankie Rose foundation and I'm in the shade Oatmeal Blend. This is their soft matte foundation. Everyone fucking loves Frankie Rose, and now I know why, because I literally had never tried them before, and you guys, now it's like easily one of my go-to foundations ever. It's been a little bit more like warm in LA during the day, but like super cold at night. I'm so happy that this is kind of like a during the day event. I'm sure it's gonna be outside because it's like a little coffee truck kind of situation, but that's why I'm not wearing like heavy coverage, but it does give me that coverage that I love. The Frankie Rose foundation is very lightweight and soft, and also the Milani Glow skin tint is, like I said, water-based, coconut water based. It is very lightweight and perfect on the skin. Like, it's not too heavy, especially if I'm going to be wearing a mask for a little bit. So I highly recommend these two together. Or if you don't want to try the Frankie Rose one, don't even worry about it. Just try this Milani skin tint. Add it into your other foundations. It's really bomb. Today I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. The shade that I use is Sand 20, Sand Sable, I believe. But I love the Fit Me concealer. I've made a few videos in the past talking about why these are my favorite concealers, but they are a drugstore like holy grail for me. I do have dry under eyes. Taking my Huda Beauty baking powder. Sorry, it's dirty. Oh my god. But I'm gonna be using the shade Banana Bread. You guys, they came out with that new shade and I'm fucking excited to try. If you guys follow Huda Beauty or just know about this powder, they did come out with a pink powder with the Easy Bake, and I am fucking lit. I'm gonna go run to Sephora and grab it because a lot of you guys wanted me to do like a review, so don't worry, I'm bringing that review a fucking sap. To set my face, I'm using that powder, but I'm using a little powder puff. I got these from Shein. I'm gonna be doing a full She Glam review on my YouTube and my TikTok, so don't worry. I'm gonna be telling you guys like all of the tools that I'm literally gonna try. But so far so good. These were like $1 and it came with 3 minis, which isn't a problem with me. I don't care what size they are as long as they do the job, and I actually really like them. They're very soft compared to like other puffs that I've tried that have came with like high-end products. For the eyes, I'm going to keep it very cute, short, and sweet. I'm going to be using one of the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palettes. Bling Boss palette from Jaclyn Hill x Morphe. I still have these. Yes, I don't give a fuck. I love Jaclyn Hill and I love Morphe eyeshadows. I've heard some controversial things about Morphe eyeshadows, and listen, I have used their eyeshadows since the beginning of time and they aren't terrible. They're way better than they used to be, but I don't have a problem with this palette at all. The eyeshadow in Hush Hush, this is a very cool toned palette. Purples, mauves, those are like kind of my favorite looks to do. I'm gonna do something very basic. I'm just using that shade Hush Hush to blend on my crease. I'm going to be taking my Gilded Flora shadow stick from Milani. This one doesn't have a shade name, so I'm not sure if they do come with shade names. This does have like a little shimmer reflex, so I'm just going to be adding it to my lid. On the outer corners, I went in with the shade Hush Hush. I think it kind of like added too much drama though. Like I wasn't trying to go for that like much intensity, but whatever, it's fine. I think I'm going to go ahead and go off and top it off with the Frankie Rose Glimmer and Go. This is in the shade Slay. Okay, I love how the Frankie Rose like Glimmer and Glow added a little bit of like a purple element. This is how it looks like alone. Obsessed with this freaking Glimmer and Glow like little shadow liquid thing, but I love how this look is coming out now because they added some purple in there. Okay you guys, I threw on my lashes from Her Name Studios in the style BREE. These are my favorite fucking pair of lashes. To bronze up my face, I'm going to be going in with the Vlam Cosmetics Sun-Kissed palette. For blush, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Petal Pusher. You guys, they discontinued this blush. Isn't that fucking sad? I'm so sad about it. But I'm going to be taking that Petal Pusher as like a base blush, and then I'm going to go over top with my two Essence Mosaic blushes in the shade Berry Connection and All You Need Is Pink. Just blending everything together. I love a blushy moment, you guys know this, but mixing those two together actually is like one of the best combos ever. Okay, I just sprayed my face with some setting spray. The two setting sprays that I mixed is the Milani Make It Dewy and the Milani Make It Last, the alcohol-based setting mist. So I like the mix of both because I love looking dewy and radiant, but I also want something to lock in my makeup, and the Make It Last will do that for me. So I love this mixture. If you guys want to try it, I definitely recommend. Okay, for my lip, I did the KKW Nude 2. I did my Beauty Creations lipstick in the shade Send Nudes. This is from the Yvette XO collaboration. And then I also topped it off with my So Juicy gloss from ColourPop. I am living for this lip. I'm living for the eye. We are all ready. So I'm going to be getting my friend Alexa. She used to be my longtime client also, so I'm very happy that I can share this moment with her. So we're going to go pick her up. We're going to get Oliver in the car because he's going with us. Let's go. I'll see you at the Revlon event. Walking in with Oliver. Okay, you guys, so I didn't get to film too much of like what was going on the entire day because I had my little puppy Oliver, if you saw in like some of the clips. But thank you, Alexa, for filming any BTS that was in today's vlog. You guys, this was such a special day for me. I'm so happy, and like it makes me believe in myself even more, and like I hope that this helps you guys believe in yourselves. You guys, this could have never happened if it wasn't for my self-confidence and me just finally putting my foot down and stop letting people paint a perception of me and tell me that I wasn't good enough, because you guys are all good in your own special ways. You are good enough. You can do it. I promise you, hard work pays off, you guys. This is such an iconic moment, bitch. They did gift me a concealer. We also had our little coffee. I'll insert the little TikTok vlog that I did. But oh my god, I felt so happy and so at peace with everything that I've ever done in my life. So this was such a special day. Thank you guys so much for supporting me along my journey. Any of you guys who watch me at home, support me, message me, DM me, I appreciate it all. I literally could not go on and continue doing this without you guys. So thank you so much. I'm obsessed. You guys, can you believe it? I will be doing a little video on TikTok with that concealer. That concealer was actually infused with caffeine and vitamin C. That was the whole point of like the coffee day and the coffee truck. They also had OJ. They had it all. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Revlon for including me. Although I am a smaller creator, like I'm still blown away. If you guys want to see that review, don't worry, I'm gonna be posting it very soon, so keep an eye out for that. I love you guys so much. I can't wait to take off this makeup and relax and chill. But other than that, I just appreciate all of your genuine support, love. I can't believe this, my dream. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.